Want to learn more about the chest machines at Planet Fitness? In this video, I describe each of the machines, the specific muscles they work, and demonstrate how to use them. Let's get started. Chest press machine. The chest press machine consists of a seat with a backrest, a pair of handles, and a weight stack. This machine targets the muscles of the chest, including the pectoralis major, and also works the interior deltoids of the shoulders, as well as the triceps and biceps brachii. To use the machine, select your desired weight from the stack. Adjust the handle positions so they are comfortably in front of you. Adjust the seat height so that the handles are in line with your chest. Grab the handles with an overhand grip. Exhale and push the handles outward, extending your arms straight in front of you. Inhale and return your arms to the starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets, and adjust the weight as needed. Chest press machine. Express 30-minute workout variation. There's another chest machine that works out the same way in the Planet Fitness Express 30-minute workout room. And if you want to learn more about what that room is, go ahead and check out the video in the top right corner. Anyways, this yellow version of the chest press machine is almost identical in terms of functionality and targets the same muscle areas. To use it, select a weight from the stack. Then adjust the seat height so the handles are in front of your chest. Exhale and push the handle straight out in front of you. Then inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. MCS Incline Press. A variation of the chest press can be found with the MCS Incline Press machine. MCS stands for Motion Technology Selectorized, which is common in many hammer strength machines. Being an MCS machine means that it has independent weight stacks and handlebars that allow you to perform single arm movements if desired. The target area for this incline machine is the upper portion of the chest. The machine consists of a seat with a backrest, handlebars, and 2 weight stacks, one for each arm. The arms of the machine are angled upwards, which is how the upper chest is activated. To use the machine, select the desired weights, making sure both weight stacks are equal. Adjust the seat so the handlebars are in front of your chest. Reach for the handles with an overhand grip. Exhale and extend your arms forward, following the path of the machine's arms. Inhale and return to starting position. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Chest fly machine. Oftentimes, the chest fly and rear deltoid machine will be coupled in the same piece of equipment. Since we're only covering chest exercises in this video, I'll only be going over how to use this machine to perform chest flies. However, you can check out my shoulder video in the top right corner for information on the rear deltoid exercise. The chest fly rear deltoid machine consists of a seat with a backrest and adjustable arms that arc around the seat. The chest fly exercise targets most of what you normally would with a chest press. However, it especially targets the serratus anterior muscles, which are located at the sides of your chest. When you're performing chest flies, you're sitting with your back against the backrest. To use the machine, first select a weight from the stack. Adjust the handles by using the overhead pin locking mechanism and placing the handles at the side of the seat. Adjust the seat height so the handles are in line with your chest. Grab onto the handles with a neutral grip, have a slight bend in your elbow. Exhale and bring the handles towards each other. Inhale and return to starting position with the handles at the sides. Repeat this movement for the desired number of reps and sets and adjust the weight as needed. Now that you know all about Planet Fitness's chest machines, check out my other Planet Fitness equipment demonstrations here. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.